Hello students, today we will discuss how to create the additional matrices to your dashboard. You just click to the add-ons. You're having the Google Analytics here. You're having the option create new report again. It will give you the opening of a create new report dialog box. Here you add the new metrics and dimensions that you're having. For example, we take the new users here. In the earlier we have chosen the users only. Now we are creating the new users here. So for this report we are going to add the dimensions to our matrix. So what dimension should we use? That is, let's use the dimension source. That what is a source to create your report? You just click the create button and you're having the third row here, that is new users. You're having the source here, that what are the source from which the new users have come. It will give you the list for it. Now you see the next prior month traffic. You just include the date for the 4th month. These are the 2 dates included. Now you just go to the add-ons again, Google Analytics, then run reports. When you're going to run report, it will show you the report status here. You're having the 3 reports completed successfully, current traffic, previous and the next prior month traffic. You just press OK and it will give you one more sheet included into your collection of spreadsheets that is named as the next prior month traffic report. So it will give you the websites, how many new users have come to your site, and what are the new sources from which they have come. It will give you the list of all the sources, that it can be Bing, Yahoo, whatever, from where the users have come to your site. And it will also include the new users number for your website. Whatever website you use, you just give the URL by going on. When you just create a new report, it will ask you for the here when you are going to add the account information, you have to put the URL of your site and it will show you the traffic according to it. So there is a way how you add dimensions to your matrix that you have used in your Google Sheet. For example, we have added the list of sources here. For example, you are having Bing.com here. You're having Yahoo.com here. you're having google.com here. For example, you're having sources for the new users here. You just select them, go to the data. You can sort them from A to Z, from Z to A. You can also randomize the range of your data that you have chosen. Here it will give you, we create the new sheet instantly. Just wait. For the good comparison, we create the new sheet by just copy pasting the data. Yes. Here you get the number of sources. For example, from bing.com you are having 21 users, new users that come to your site. From Yahoo you are having 5, and from Google you are having 30 new users that come to your site. For example, this is the report result that you found from your website's Google Analytics. So how to add the graphs, or how to add a pie chart for it? You just select the data and you go to the chart options. It's going to give you the result in the pie. That is, you're having the 53.6% of your new users that is coming from your Google site. You're having the 37.5% users that is coming from your bing.com, and you're having yahoo.com 8.9% of yahoo.com new users that coming to your site. So it is a very easiest way how to compare your data and how you get your data in the percentage. So it is all about how you go to your report, how to add the pie charts, how to add the traffic, and how to get the traffics in the pie chart, in the chart form, or in the percentage form. So you can also share this report by pressing the share button, and you can publish it publicly, or you can publish it to the specific users. Thank you.